Hi, I'm Veronica. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key features of the ROEST sample roaster. ROEST is a drum roaster powered by electricity. You can roast up to 200 grams of coffee, and the capacity varies based on the roasting profile. ROEST is engineered for the most efficient workflow. With dual fan system, you can cool down beans while roasting the next batch. After connecting it to Wi-Fi, you get access to the online roasting portal, where you can follow live view, store logs, or create new profiles. ROEST has up to 5 temperature sensors: air temperature, bean, inlet, drum, and exhaust. 3 of these sensors can be used to create roasting profiles. And you can also create profiles based on the power input. Roasting in automatic mode requires only one step. You only charge the beans and collect them when they are done. You can also take over manual control at any time. With ROEST, you can enjoy effortless roasting from start to finish. To achieve that, we have developed the first crack detection, the technology which listens to the cracks and registers the first crack for you. This means that after charging the beans, you can focus on other tasks, while the sample roasting is done automatically. This also helps to roast each coffee to its full potential. You can attach a ventilation hose to the back of the roaster and direct fumes outside of the window. Or you can also direct the exhaust up or to the sides with our 90-degree elbow. ROEST is very easy to maintain. The chaff is collected in the drawer, which needs to be emptied after every 20 roasts. The roaster was built for easy service. With our video guides and online assistance, you're able to fix any potential issues by yourself. For more information, please contact our sales team through our website.